you put the zipper, the round side goes towards the bag. Put the teeth in, go to the middle of this bump of this, so that this let's see, so this side lines up with the middle of that zipper. And now flip it around so both teeth are up and insert the other side, and you feel a little click. I'm going to move it forward a couple of notches so that it lines up better, because the most important thing is that you want the two sides to match. See? So that's good, because these two match up pretty darn well. Grab the tabs and zip, you're on.